This is a 2021 model Adam Warmblood Julite, located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. This trailer is all aluminum, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, and aluminum roof. It does have a treated wooden floor. The trailer is considered a 15-foot floor length. That is measured to about midway up the dressing room here. You still have the additional point in the nose and the coupler. It's got a nice side ramp. With a top door, we do add a window to that top door on the side ramp. This Trailer Country model has an extra foot in the horse area to allow ample room for the horses to come out of this side ramp. So we just swing the head divider off to the side, and your street side horse could come right down the side ramp. Got a window between the horse area and the dressing room, 2 pop-up roof vents, bar style head divider, escape door, street side, the ramp is curbside, 4-foot extruded aluminum siding, ST 225/75 R15 tires on steel wheels, LED running lights everywhere, also an LED load light. Got a rear ramp with top curtains. The top curtains do have windows, so you can travel with those top curtains closed. You can travel with them closed and the windows slit open, or you can latch them back for travel. Hip windows on both sides. These gravity latches on the Adam trailers, I'm a pretty big fan of those. So then you can't lose that pin. It also has this catch here, so when your horse is pushing backwards on it while you're putting that pin in, they can't push this butt bar down. You have the same setup on your breast bar. Padded divider. That divider is completely removable. And pads on the sidewalls. Again, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, and an aluminum roof. It is a treated wooden floor. Let's show you that. Here in the Julite. We did just wash it, so there's some water pooling back here. Rubber mats over that wooden floor. 4-foot extruded aluminum siding, white skin. You've got running boards here all the way down this side. The dressing room is a little smaller on this side ramp model because of the way they slant the wall. So if you're used to a typical Julite dressing room, this is going to close up on you a little bit. Still got 2 saddle racks. You've got, got floor room to get a tack trunk in here, spare tire, bridle hooks, and that window between the horse area and the dressing room. Nose windows, of course. Screen door on your camper door. Again, this is a 2021 Adam Julite, available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs at trailercountryllc.com. Feel free to reach out to us by email, text, or telephone call. You can reach me at 757-646-7315. I'm happy to send you a drawing of that if you need to see the floor plan. 2021 Adam Julite, 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide. We call that a 15-foot floor length.